Good morning, good morning. Mike here, still Saturday. We haven't changed the day. Saturday, the 28th of January. Got a nice, beautiful shipment from the boys over across the pond. We just got in these nice, beautiful tulips. I want to show you. This was the one that Uncle Jerry had told you guys about that was coming over. These are the RASTA tulips. I don't know if you ever seen RASTA tulips, but these are amazing parrot tulips. Weirder than weird. Freaks, crazy freaks. Available right now. We have very few available. Most of it was pre-sold, but give us a call. You can catch them. Thank you, Uncle Jerry. 305-499-9144. Get yourself some RASTA parrot tulips. They are freaks. Thank you.